Hey guys, welcome back. We've got a DSR Farms video here today, and we're gonna do some chorizo and egg breakfast burrito taco things. And this is how I was introduced to chorizo, so we're just gonna go with it. These tacos, I'm making the tortillas from scratch, and it's super easy. They're super delicious, and I'm just following the directions on the back of the bag. It's 2 cups of the tortilla flour and 1.5 cups of water. We're just going to combine that and then just let it rest for a little bit. Okay, and next I'm just going to take some of this chorizo and take the casing off of it and then just brown it up in a skillet. Okay, when your chorizo gets pretty much all the way cooked, we're going to pour in some eggs that we've just whisked here. And it's going to depend on how eggy you want your burritos, but I like about 10 eggs per pound of sausage, and this was 2/5 of a pound, so I put in like 4 or 5 eggs, somewhere in there. But again, it's personal preference. And again, when all the eggs get done cooking, I just stick it in the oven just to keep it warm. Now that the dough's rested while you've cooked your chorizo, I'm just gonna roll these into small, maybe golf ball size pieces of dough, and then roll them out flat on a floured tabletop. And if you're cooking these in a skillet, a good thing to do is kind of judge how big they need to be by how big your first one is and how well it fits in your skillet. So if your first one is just a little bit too big, don't put that much dough in your next one and you should be good to go. Alright, so in another skillet I've got some butter melted here, and they're going to cook really fast, maybe a minute, minute and a half per side on a little above medium heat or so, something like that. They'll start blistering up and you can just flip them over, same deal, and then you've got these fresh tortillas and they're great. Now all that's left to do is just plate these things up. So take your fresh warm tortilla, put some of this chorizo and eggs in there, and hit it with a little cheese, fold it up, and have a good time. Hope y'all enjoyed.